How to cancel Peacock TV app subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Go ahead and click on it. Now navigate to the option of subscriptions. Open it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections as active and inactive. Under active subscription, you will find the option of Peacock TV. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on that option, at the bottom of it, you'll find the option of cancel subscription. Go ahead and click on it. With that, a confirmation will pop up. You have to click on confirm. And just with that, you have just cancelled Peacock TV app subscription. Now you won't be charged anymore. Likewise, you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Peacock TV app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel Peacock TV app subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.